everybody? Let's go make a car vlog. Alright, and we're off. So, it's been a long time since I made a video, but I figured let's go ahead and do it. Now, if you guys seen my one of my last videos with the whole demonetizing of YouTube, or the demonetizing my channel's gonna be getting, you know, it sucks, but I'm gonna make a video anyway and try to get back into it because it's a lot of fun. Now I set the cameras up, I got everything ready. I don't even know what this video is going to be about. I'm just going to get in here and talk. And, you know, the whole demonetizing thing, you know, I got my channel got killed. I can't make any more money. But really, whatever, you know. I didn't make much money anyway, so we're not going to really worry about it. And one of the real reasons why I wanted to make more videos is just because I was going back and I was watching all my older stuff and going through the comments and reading what people were saying and the feedback. That's what was really fun, you know, fun to watch, and it just made me want to do it again. So we're going to do it again. I want to make more videos. The problem is, and it's been the same problem since day one doing this, is it's really hard to think about stuff to make videos on. And so I'm just gonna, I think when I do vlogs like this, like I'm just gonna make them and just talk about stuff, you know, whatever comes to mind or whatever I decide to do. So we're gonna try it. I might not even get back to where I was, you know, and viewers and all that, but let's just drive around. Because I like this car. Obviously, I'm a Subaru fan. I love it, you know, and I want to share it with people. So, my car is up to temp here. We'll have to get a pull in here sometime soon. But, yeah. So, things with me, not much has really changed. You know, I'm engaged, as you guys already probably know, but we are going to be getting married in May, and so we're going through all the, you know, all the planning and all the stuff you got to do to get a wedding going. Luckily, you know, I don't have to do too much. My fiance is doing most of that work, but you know, whatever. All right, I'm heading towards a more towards a faster street because this is only 25, so we can't really do a pull here, but we'll get one done. Now, one of the biggest things I have to worry about in starting to make videos again was I don't know how I'm going to edit stuff, or at least I didn't know how I was going to do that kind of thing, because now I have my own computer, you know, and it's a gaming computer, so it's pretty powerful. I don't got to worry about, you know, what I can and can't do. I should be able to do whatever I want. So I found you know, a free video editor that I'm going to use. So I'm psyched I got that figured out. All right, pull time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Slow down. Slow it down. Oh, that was a shitty shift. Or no, sorry. Bleep that out. I don't know if I can bleep, but that was a bad shift. I just kind of haven't done that in a while, and I went way too fast there. That was kind of yeah, so I got the video editing software figured out, and it's kind of crazy that PC or Windows, you know, doesn't come with a a way to edit video. They had the Movie Maker, which I honestly thought my computer had that on it because it already had Windows, but you got to pay for it. Well, I don't know if you have to pay for it. I tried downloading it, and it was just full of ads, and it was just a joke. So I had to find a different one. So hopefully I'll be able to edit this. It probably won't be too long. Like I said, there's not really much of a point to this video. It's just I want to make a video to get, you know, to get one done, because I really want to do this again. I miss it for sure. So hopefully next time I'll have a topic or something specific to talk about. Oh, watch this idiot. That was scary. They just put a Little Caesar, well, Little Caesars was over here, and they moved it across the street, and now it has a drive-through, and it's nice that there's a drive-through, but it creates some scary traffic issues over here where people are turning in and out all the time. So yeah, we're heading back home. What else is going on with me? Losing weight, of course, is always like ongoing with me. I lost like 9 pounds in the past few weeks. I really want to lose weight for the wedding, so that's what I'm doing. And it's been tough. A lot of hunger, but it's working. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. Turn in here to the street. Now, I did put up some iRacing videos that didn't get many views, so I'm taking it people don't want to see that. But one of the things I wanted to try to do, I've never done it, is do a live stream on YouTube of playing that game. I need to get a camera for it if I want to do it. So I guess before I even try, if you do want to see that, let me know. If even one person tells me they want to see it, I'll definitely do that, you know, sometime. So that's about it. I live right down here. This little, I mean, the only thing I don't like about living over here is look how tight the houses are together. That's the only bummer. But, you know, it's not that big of a deal. And we don't have to park on the street. So we'll take this all the way into the garage, just so you guys can see how my life goes every day. I wish the garage was attached, just because a little bit more privacy, you know. Your neighbors are right on top of you, which kind of blows, but I get the garage over here. My girlfriend gets the other one. So here we go. I don't know if you guys can see my bike. I don't know if you can see that, but maybe that's gonna be sold sometime. We'll sell that sometime. So yeah, that's gonna be it. We'll end it here in the dark. We might make a video of me riding that, maybe. I don't know. That could be an option come summertime. So that's pretty much it, guys. I know it's dark in here, but thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.